me singing, recreating and singing songs be like, I could do that. I could totally do that. Hi from my heart is in Havana. I got this. You should take it as a compliment. You should take it as a compliment. Versus other people who actually sing well. Ooh, 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 Havana, na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, na na. He took me back to Easterland, na na na. All my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners, Havana, na na. Good guess. Should take it as a compliment. You see the difference there. It is so confusing.